A hot air balloon is 1,200 feet above the ground. The angle of depression from the basket of the hot air balloon to the base of the monument is 54 degrees. Which they show right there. Which equation can be used to find the distance, d, in feet from the basket of the hot air balloon to the base of the monument? Okay, so we do have a right triangle here. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it so you can see the right triangle. We know that this side is 1,200. We know that this side is d. What we don't have in our green triangle right now is our reference angle. Right now, 54 degrees is outside of our triangle. So there's two ways you could think about it. The first way is you could think about parallel lines cut by a transversal. Those two lines are parallel cut by this transversal. So the alternate interior angles would tell us that if this is 54 degrees, this one is also 54 degrees. The other way you could think about it, though, if you don't want to think about parallel lines cut by a transversal, if these people in the hot air balloon look down at a 54-degree angle, wouldn't the people down here be looking up at a 54-degree angle? So this angle here and that angle always have to be the same, because whether you're looking down or you're looking up, you're looking at the same angle. So that's the other way you can think about it. But now that we have that, we can go ahead and label our sides. So from this reference angle, 1,200 would be the opposite, and d would be the hypotenuse. So again, we're going to have to use sine of theta, which is our degree measure, equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. So we can go ahead and narrow it down to b is our answer.